This red drink can lower your blood pressure in just a few hours. It can make your heart pump smoother, your brain think clearer, and your skin glow. And yet most people walk right by it at the grocery store without a second thought. It is beet juice. And what happens inside your body when you drink it regularly will surprise you. Beets were once used by ancient healers for digestion and fever. But what no one saw back then was the hidden power inside the beet. And it all starts with something in the beet that tells your blood vessels to open up and let fresh blood rush through them. Number 1. Improves blood pressure. In several studies, regular beet juice drinkers saw small but steady drops in blood pressure. That means what you sip today could lead to less strain on your heart tomorrow. When your arteries relax, blood flows more easily, oxygen moves faster, and your heart does not have to fight as hard. But that is just the beginning of what this red root can do. Number 2. Boosts brain function. Your brain benefits too. It runs on oxygen like a high-speed highway that needs clear lanes to stay open. When more blood gets in, your focus sharpens, your memory improves, and your mood lifts. Researchers have found that beet juice helps increase blood flow into areas of the brain that control learning and decision-making. It is like turning yesterday's fog into today's clarity, and soon you will see how your gut, your metabolism, and your skin join the story. Number 3. Supports liver and digestion. Your liver and digestive system are quietly getting help from this drink too. It contains fiber and plant compounds that support how your body clears waste, how your stomach handles food, and how your gut bacteria stay balanced. When your inside is working smoothly, the effects show on the outside. Your energy becomes steadier, and your body feels cleaner. Number 4. Increases stamina and energy. For anyone who moves, who works out, who pushes their body, this red drink offers a boost. Studies have found better stamina and reduced fatigue when beet juice is consumed before exercise. It is not magic, but it is powerful. Cells get more oxygen, your body uses energy better, and you last longer. And yes, this works for everyday life as much as it does for sports. Number 5. Improves skin and natural glow. What you see in the mirror or on the scale can change too. Your skin starts to reflect what is going on inside. Because when your blood flow improves, when your detox systems work better, and your gut stays balanced, your skin gets more oxygen and nutrients. It can glow naturally. And those dips in energy you used to feel begin to fade. Now, if you plan to drink this daily, the best way is eat it raw or lightly blended beet juice. Here's an easy recipe. Half a beet, 2 apples, a little chopped fennel, and a cup of cold water. Blend and drink. It tastes earthy, crisp, and fresh. Best done in the morning or before movement for maximum effect. If you cook your beets too long, you lose some of the good stuff. Just a quick caution. If you are prone to kidney stones or already on blood pressure medication, it is wise to check with your doctor first. So yeah, start drinking beet juice or make beets a part of your meals. Your heart, your brain, your gut, and your skin all benefit. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment below telling me which country you are from and whether you would like to share how you might try beet juice in your routine.